So over here on the left hand side, if I were to expand the chat history, you can see that I got different names right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and let's say, for example, easily recognize this chat. And in that case, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and rename those chats. So to do that, you can click on the three dot button and simply click on rename. And then what you can do is, let's say, for example, type in CV generation, let's say, for example, and that is it. It is renamed and it is brought to the top. And now you can simply recognize that particular result with that particular chat history name. You can go around over here onto the three dot button and rename. And let's say, for example, I'm just going to say number conversion right here, just like this. Then what happens is that it gets converted and it comes to the top just like this, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and rename out chats as you like inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.